Welcome to TEAL, where precision meets innovation. Today we're going to dive into the world of servo motors and drives, the key components of the automation systems of tomorrow. Let's start with servo motors. They are high-performance electric motors designed for the precise control of angular and linear position, velocity, and acceleration. They are the workhorses behind many automated systems, from robotics to conveyor belts. Imagine a robotic arm doing intricate tasks. The smoothness and the accuracy? That's thanks to servo motors. They use feedback mechanisms like encoders to adjust their position in real time, ensuring flawless performance. Now let's talk about servo drives. These devices control the power that is sent to the servo motor. Think of them like brains behind the muscles. They interpret commands from the controller and adjust the servo speed to achieve the desired motion, enabling seamless operation and minimal wear and tear on your machinery. Without servo drives, you would see a lot more jerky, inefficient movement. But with them, you get smooth, precise operations, essential for high speed and high precision tasks. From aerospace to manufacturing, servo motors are the heart of modern automation. They enhance efficiency, accuracy, and productivity.